Hi, I'm Bryan, and I'm here today to talk to you about Microcad's Extreme Gaming Platinum PC. Alright, so this is our 2019 Microcad Extreme Gaming Platinum PC. We started our build off with the Asus Z390 Tough Gaming Pro motherboard. That is just enough flash for what we were going for here. We went with the 9th generation Intel i7 9700K processor. It's an 8-core processor clocked at 3.6 gigahertz, but with our Corsair H60 liquid cooling unit here, you should easily be able to overclock it to 4 gigahertz without any real issue. Sticking with Corsair, we went with 32 gigs of DDR4 2666 memory, and that was, again, just to fit our vision, we stuck with some nice black memory, no RGB here. So moving on, we went to the latest edition of the NVIDIA family here, the RTX series 2080 Ti, non-Ti edition rather, and that's sheerly for price point. Had all the power, but without breaking the bank. For storage, we went with a 500 gig NVMe SSD for blistering speeds and all of your gaming and processing needs. But for the extra storage, we went with the good old-fashioned mechanical 4 terabyte drive down here underneath the shroud here of our lovely Antec P8 case. This case comes with tempered glass and there's no optical drive, so it was exactly what I love when it comes to a case. And to power all of this, we stuck a 650 watt Antec power supply to more than support everything you're going to throw at it. And that is our Platinum level PC. I'm a pretty big fan of the Borderlands series. Number 3 just being released recently, but I've been playing realistically number 1 for years now, religiously almost. Straightforward game. Not lots of action without a lot of the general concerns a lot of other games have. Like, you know, you don't have to worry about feeding your character. It's just purely collect ammunition, collect weapons, and go out into the wilderness and survive realistically. So, yeah, I don't get to play as much anymore because I have some small kids, but hopefully one day we can all play together again and stuff. Indiana Jones, there's the Batman, there's all the superhero based ones as well, so there's a lot of those and they're entertaining, so definitely like the Lego.